こんにちは、ゆうこ先生です。先日、学生さんから面白い質問をもらいました。なので、今日はそれについて話したいと思います。I received a very interesting question from my students the other day. The question was this. 先生、when you spell こんにちは in ひらがな, is it supposed to be こんにちは with ひらがなはor ひらがなは? Which is correct and then why? So today I want to talk about this topic in this lesson. Okay, the correct answer is this. こんにちは with ひらがなは even though we pronounce the phrase こんにちは. Why? Because this wa in this particular phrase is a particle.It is the same word that you use when you say something like this. 寿司はおいしいです。寿司はおいしいです。As for sushi, it's delicious, meaning sushi is delicious. But why do we need to use the particle は here? It's even not a sentence, right? Well, in fact,This phrase is an incomplete sentence, and then こんにちは is only the beginning part of the sentence. Let me explain step by step. That word こんにち looks like this in kanji, and it's an old way of saying today in Japanese. It's same as 今日 in modern Japanese. So, こんにちは by itself literally means as for today, and it was the topic of the original phrase. Traditionally, as a greeting, people used to say something like this after こんにちは。こんにちは。良いお天気ですね。こんにちは。良いお天気ですね。As for today, it is a beautiful day, isn't it? こんにちは。ご苦労様です。こんにちは。ご苦労様です。As for today, thank you for your hard work. こんにちは。ご機嫌いかがですか？こんにちは。ご機嫌いかがですか？ As for today, how are you? Gradually, people stopped saying the entire phrase, and only the beginning part, こんにちは has remained as a greeting in modern Japan. Same goes with こんばんは, by the way. こんばん means tonight or this evening in Japanese, so こんばんは literally means as for tonight. Again, it is the beginning part of a phrase like this. こんばんは、良い月夜ですね。こんばんは、良い月夜ですね。As for tonight, it is a lovely moonlit night, isn't it? Now you know why you have to write こんにちは and こんばんは with ひらがなは。The wa in these expressions is the topic marker, so it has to be in ひらがなは。However, nowadays, even some Japanese native speakers spell こんにちは and こんばんは with ひらがなは。It is because people became more inclined towards writing as they pronounce the phrase rather than paying attention to its meaning or origin. It may be similar to the mistakes that English speakers make, such as spelling there for there or night for night. Again, these are the mistakes as a result of people only paying attention to the pronunciation of the word and not the meaning. Language always changes. If future generations start spelling only こんにちは with Hiragana wa, you never know, it may become the standard in my language. I hope it's not going to be the case for a long time, since I so very much cherish the history and graceful aspects of my language, which is quickly disappearing in modern Japanese. I hope this short lesson helped you to understand why you have to write こんにちは with hiragana ha. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and also subscribe to my channel. A quick announcement. I have 3 Japanese mini courses for free for you to try, and right now, when you join those mini courses, you get a chance to sign up for another course with a 30% discount. The coupon code that you will receive is good only for 72 hours after you join the mini course. And what I want to recommend you to do is this. Please do not sign up all the 3 mini courses, mini course 1, 2, 3 at the same time. When you do that, all the 3 coupon codes expire at the same time too, only within 72 hours. Instead, please join each mini course at a different time so that you get 3 chances of a discount. I am not sure how long I can keep this discount going, but if you are interested, please check the description box below. I'm sorry if it's no longer available by the time you're watching this video. ではまた次のレッスンで会いましょう。